So here's Annette. She asks, what is your opinion on vision boards and people imagining or rehearsing in their mind an event, a speech or athletic move before the actual event?
You know, there was another question that came in, Doug, that I asked you to bring up first, and it connects to that. Do you know what I'm
Sure.
talking about?
Yeah,
Read
I'll
that.
read that.
Ties into Annette's question.
And that's the one from James, I think you
Yes.
asked. Okay. Guy has been speaking to us recently about reaching our highest possibilities or full potential. This, as I understand it, is achieved by honestly seeing ourselves as we have become in order to be more and more what we truly are. I used to think of full potential as being success in the world, as in the examples of Olympic athletes or benevolent leaders of big companies who do a lot of good. In spiritual work, do these have any relevance to the realization of our highest possibilities?
You must understand Annette and James, because it's a similar question. Each and every one of us, according to our essence, according to our level of being, is by that level acted on by corresponding conditions. So that one man, the whole idea of success for him is just to find someone, get married, and have a happy life. That's the whole of his happiness, his idea, very simplest. Another person, the whole of their idea of success is to become seen as someone in the world. Another person, like an athlete, his idea of success is to develop, which is natural, whatever God-given skills he's been given and bring them to the summit of their possibilities. A businessman, a businesswoman is drawn to a particular activity because they want to discover through those activities something about themselves, and they become, as you outlined, either someone who doesn't care about the world or who is seen as a benevolent person helping the world. What you have to see, James and Annette, is that these individuals, regardless of how successful they are in the world, have developed one and one part only of themselves. Which is why when you look at the world of athletes, successful men and women, business executives, the pinnacle of what we call profitability on this planet, you will always find they have some problem, some sickness, something they can't escape, something that's hidden from the world that they keep hidden by what they've acquired. And if you know yourself at all, you know that you keep things hidden from the world, no matter how successful or unsuccessful you are. So the real work, the true fulfillment of one's possibilities is not through this, that, or the other achievement or goal, but through bringing about an integration of this consciousness so that you can't become lopsided or imbalanced. Christ said he came to heal the sick and the lame, the deaf and the dumb, the blind. He was not referring only to human beings with challenges. He was referring to a consciousness that is lame, a consciousness that is broken and divided against itself. This is our task, and this is the answer to Annette's question and James' question at the same time.